Shaw with Tips and Tricks Tuesday, and I'm here with my mannequin to teach you a little trick about whether you're locking, leaving, teasing, or weaving. This is something that can help you at the chair to get the maximum saturation. So I take my section, and in this case, I'm going to be doing a 75% weave and a 75% tease. So I'm going to take my section, and I'm going to weave out my 75%. Then I'm going to do my 75% tease. I'm going to take that section that I have, I'm going to place my foil into that hair. And where we struggle is in saturation. So once I go to blur the line and place that foil into the hair, what I do next is I lay the foil on top of that hair. Then I twist it over, peel off the bottom foil, take my Moonlights and Moon Cream and saturate the bottom. That way I know that I have maximum saturation. I can take my foil, lay it right back on the hair, twist it back, fold it, and just like with locking and leaving, I can just leave it to process. So again, if I am weaving 75 or 50%, whatever it is that I have decided to weave, and I take and I tease, when I go to lay that hair onto my foil, just to ensure even saturation, I'm going to take my product, blur the line, saturate heavily, and remembering not to scrape that product off, but to actually lay it into the hair, just like I was painting hair. Then I take my second foil, I lay it on top, I twist the piece over, I peel my foil off, I resaturate the back, making sure that my ends and everything are nicely saturated. My line is blurred. Then again, I take the used foil and I lay that back where it was, retwist back, fold, seal, and leave. So what this essentially does is ensure that when I'm putting my product into the foil, I've got the maximum saturation. These new techniques where you're weaving, leaving, and teasing need to have incredible saturation. Just like when you're painting hair on a volley paddle, sometimes you flip it over to make sure that the underneath has that saturation. So by taking that foil, twisting it around, and then reapplying to the back, you're going to get the optimal results. So stay tuned for more tips and tricks with Candy Shaw.